Hey guys, it's a pleasure to be back with a new video. Welcome to Exam Focus. Today we will talk about the historical background of organization development, OD. Take your notes side by side. So let's head to the topic. Organizational development is explained as stemming from 5 major backgrounds. They are 1. Laboratory training. 2. Action research or survey feedback. 3. Normative approaches. 4. Quality of work life. 5. Strategic change. First is laboratory training. Laboratory training emerged as an innovative approach, applying insights from small group interactions to organizational settings. In 1946, Kurt Lewin and his colleagues developed T-group training at the National Training Laboratory (NTL). T-group training involved small, unstructured groups reflecting on their behaviors, experiences, and group dynamics. The program gained immense success and received funding from the Carnegie Foundation in 1948 and 1949. By the 1950s, regional laboratories grew, and T-group sessions expanded to businesses and industries. In 1958, Richard Becker coined the term organizational development, OD, and conducted laboratory experiments at NTL. Over time, T-groups declined as a direct intervention, evolving into what we now call team building, a widely used intervention in organizations today. Next is action research or survey feedback. The second key movement in the evolution of organizational development, OD, was also led by Kurt Lewin, establishing OD as a social science field. In the 1940s, other pioneers of this movement included William White, John Collier, and Edith Hamilton. They emphasized that organizational improvement could only be achieved if research was paired with collaborative action by consultants and organizational members. This approach focused on understanding the feelings and perspectives of organizational members before designing and implementing OD or change initiatives. Collaboration between social scientists and organizational members was essential for data collection, identifying problems, and finding solutions. This movement brought 2 key benefits. Organizational members could use the collected data to monitor and guide their own behavior and change efforts. Social scientists and OD practitioners could generate insights that could be applied to other organizations and settings. Survey research played a central role in this process, with Rensis Likert developing attitude surveys using the well-known 5-point Likert scale. The survey feedback process involved collecting data about the organization and providing feedback to help members identify and solve problems effectively. Next is normative approaches. Rensis Likert used the survey feedback approach to categorize organizations into 4 types: exploitative authoritative system, benevolent authoritative system, consultative system, participative system. The participative system was considered the ideal state for organizations. It served as a benchmark, encouraging members to compare their current organizational state with the ideal and work toward bridging the gap. In the participative system, organizational members were highly involved and actively participated in decision-making processes. In 1962, Blake, Mouton, and Bidwell introduced the managerial grid to assess organizational effectiveness. This grid categorized managerial styles based on 2 factors: concern for production, focus on accomplishing tasks and making quality decisions; concern for people, emphasis on good working conditions and fair salaries. They proposed that the most effective managerial style balanced a high concern for both production and people, helping overcome communication barriers and achieve organizational excellence. Next is quality of work life. This STEM is based on research by Eric Trist and colleagues at the Tavistock Institute of Human Relations in London, focusing on integrating people and technology. Trist and Bamforth, 1951. The Quality of Work Life, QWL. Programs brought unions and management together to collaborate on designing better work systems. These designs aimed to give employees more discretion, variety in their tasks, and constructive feedback improving their work experience. QWL programs encourage the creation of self-managing work groups where teams could take responsibility for managing their own tasks. It also involved techniques like job enrichment, labor management committees, and self-managing teams to improve workplace efficiency and employee involvement. This approach emphasized the integration of human factors, employee needs and satisfaction with the physical and technical aspects of work. The result was enhanced productivity and greater employee satisfaction, creating a balance between organizational goals and employee well-being. And the last one is strategic change. Strategic change is a recent influence on the evolution of organizational development, OD, focusing on adapting organizations to more complex and uncertain environments. As organizations face growing challenges due to changes in technology, politics, and society, the need for a strategic perspective on OD has emerged, leading to planned change processes at the organizational level. Strategic change is about aligning an organization's environment, strategy, and design to improve performance and adaptability. Key interventions in strategic change include improving how the organization interacts with its environment and ensuring a better fit between its technical, political, and cultural systems. Major disruptions like changes in regulations, technological advancements, or new leadership often trigger the need for strategic change. Richard Beckhardt was one of the first to apply strategic change, using open systems planning to align an organization's strategy with its environment, reducing performance gaps. Various models of strategic change have been developed, emphasizing the need for a shift in organizational culture and leadership, often driven by top executives. More recently, strategic approaches to OD have been applied in areas like mergers, acquisitions, alliances, and network development. To implement strategic change, OD practitioners need a broad skill set, including knowledge of competitive strategy, finance, marketing, team building, action research, and survey feedback. These skills help OD practitioners remain relevant and effective in today's dynamic business environment. That's all for today. I hope you like it. Please comment your feedback and any topics you want me to discuss. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. See ya.